If you know how to analyze businesses and value businesses, it's crazy to own 50 stocks or 40 stocks or 30 stocks probably. And to have some super wonderful business and then put money in number 30 or 35 on your list of attractiveness and forego putting more money into number 1 just strikes Charlie and me as madness.
Hello everybody, it's Tortoise Investing coming at you today with 3 dividend stocks that increase their dividends every quarter. Not every year, every quarter. Now, if that excites you, if you like dividend investing, you like dividend videos, please hit that subscribe button. Join 564 that have already done so. Help me march toward 1,000. It's super free and easy to do. Make sure to hit that like button as well. And comment down below. Let me know what you've been buying here lately or what you've been looking into. I appreciate any and all support. And as always, none of this is financial advice. Just entertainment and educational purposes always. And do your own research before investing into anything. Without further ado, what we're going to be taking a look at today is American Tower Corporation, Realty Income, and Bank OZK. Now, I say that these have increased their dividends for every single quarter. American Tower did skip one quarter. I hope that that's okay and you're not mad at me. Either or. Let's take a look here. The dividend increases from American Tower. This goes back to 2011. So, actually 2012. April 9th, 2012, they started increasing it every quarter. And they have done that all the way through COVID. And here, April, they had a repeat. 156, but then they're right back at it again, 157, and they've got one coming up here in the next little bit. It might be another increase. I hope so, because I think this is just so awesome that they're able to do this. It's such a strong company. Let's take a look here at some of the financials. Adjusted free cash flow yield of 2.62%, dividend yield of 3.5%. Not going to pay any attention to that payout ratio because these are from funds from operations. These are REITs along with Realty Income. These are taxed differently, so make sure to do your research into that before investing in REITs. Let's take a look here at the 5-year. It was at a high of $303 in September 8th, 2021. Now down to $181. It's kind of been... I think that it's bottomed out. I'm not sure. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that the interest rates are going to soon pause. And then within the next 6 to 8 months, they're going to start going down. And a lot of REITs are beaten up because of this, and a lot of them are on sale. So, yeah, American Tower Corporation falls right in line. Over the last 10 years... revenue has been increasing at a rate of 14.05%. That is awesome. The free cash flow has been increasing at a rate of 7.97%. That is awesome as well. The dividend, as you can see here, over the last 10 years, increasing at a rate of 19.25%. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Awesome. This is a cell phone tower REIT. I think down here it should say... they have approximately 219,000 communication sites, and they are also international, so they are global when it comes to cell phone towers. Next up, Realty Income Corporation. This is a favorite amongst the masses. It's got adjusted free cash flow yield of 7.40%, dividend yield of 5.56%. Let's take a look here at the 5-year chart. Right around before the COVID drop was their last high at 82.44. Their last recent high is around 74 area in August of last year, and now they're down to $55. This is actually known as the monthly dividend company. I really like them a lot, and let me show you here the income, the dividend hikes. This dates back for forever and a day, but as you see, even if it's just by like a little bit, they increase the dividend every single quarter. And you might look at this and be like, well, some of these are like 0.2%. Well, they usually do 3.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3% hikes every year, and then they'll do like a 2 or 3%er, and that averages out to around 3.5% increase in a dividend over a year. And I mean, it's with a dividend yield of 5%, a 3.5, 4%, 3.5% increase is it's not bad, not bad. I got a little tongue-tied there. Revenue growth over the last 10 years has been growing at a rate of 21.54%. Free cash flow has been increased at a rate of 22.89%. This company does acquisitions like crazy. They recently bought a gaming facility, so they're jumping into the whole gambling scene. Guess they've seen all the success that Vici was having, and they wanted a little piece of that pie as well. Over the last 10 years, their dividend has been increased at a rate of 3.8%. Over the last 2 years, 5.8%. So a little bit more rapid growth there. Not too much, but still, I like it. It's a monthly payer. It's a favorite amongst a lot of people. And next up is a bank stock that increases their dividend every quarter. Got Bank OZK, adjusted free cash flow yield of 17.97%. It's got a dividend yield of 3.51%. Payout ratio real low, 25.28%. It's pretty good. Let's take a look here at the 5-year chart. 5-year chart here. They are off their recent high, January last year, of $50.79, and then they were around 47 February this year, and then the whole banking crisis occurred, and a lot of these tanked. A lot of banks overly tanked, I feel. Revenue's been increased at a rate of 21.76% over the last 10 years. Very nice. It's been rapidly growing. They kind of evened off here between, 2018 through 2020, but they're taking right back off again. Free cash flow has been increased at a rate of 16.29% over the last 10 years. Again, that's really good. EPS, 15.23% over the last 10 years. And this is a bank stock. This bank has been making bank. Yeah, I said it. What's up? So cash on hand, $4.53 billion. They have $1.08 billion in debt. I'm not like that. That debt's not even an issue. The dividend, as you can see here, is just straight up. That's awesome. It's been increased at a rate over the last 10 years at a rate of 14.25%. So double-digit dividend growth from a bank. That is awesome. Their shares outstanding. Looks like they've started doing some share buybacks, which I love share buybacks. In 2021, they had 129.6 million. They're down to 120.7 million as of 2022. When it changes to quarterly and take another look at it, and it looks like they're still buying back even more shares. So that is just thumbs up for me all around. I love that a lot. And I will pull up the dividend as well here. As you can see how far back this goes. And right here, 10, 11, 2013. We're going to do 15, 19, 21. And right here, actually. 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5. And it just keeps going up every single quarter. Every single quarter, even through COVID. Look at that. That's awesome. If a company's got their financial sheets and everything in order so much that they're able to make it through COVID without it impacting their dividend and stuff, that is just such a green flag for me. But this is one I've been actually looking into just because of just the silliness of the dividend increase every quarter, and their metrics look really, really nice. I mean, even on a quarterly scale, this is growing, the revenue, the EPS, net income, everything is just ticking in the right direction. But yeah, I mean, and the shares outstanding, they're buying back shares. But yeah, that is 3 companies that increase their dividend every single quarter. I hope you enjoy that. As always, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more. And until next time, see yous.